Hi everyone, in this video, we're taking a look at the latest addition to our red label collection, Qing Xin Red. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. Qing Xin Red is a black tea from Alishan, Taiwan, grown at over 4,600 feet above sea level. It is crafted as a mixiang or honey fragrance tea, meaning that the tea maker allows leafhoppers to attack the leaves prior to harvest. This results in a naturally sweet honey-like flavor. We have another video just about mixiang teas as well. Qing Xin Red is unique among our mixiang collection since it's the only one crafted from Taiwan's revered Qing Xin or clear heart varietal. Qing Xin is synonymous with Taiwan's high mountain oolongs. It is used to craft teas like our Li Shan, Fu Shou, and Da Yu Li. The Qing Xin varietal is known for its elegant and nuanced taste with a balance of texture, finish, and bright floral notes. This varietal is used almost exclusively for oolong production, which makes our Qing Xin Red quite rare. According to a tea maker, Qing Xin Red is a black tea with the spirit of an oolong, inspired not just by the Qing Xin varietal, but also by oolong crafting techniques like rounian or the rolling process typically used for oolong production. The combination of region varietal and hybrid crafting methods gives Qing Xin Red an impressive taste. It has complex notes of stone fruit, flowers, and honey. If you're familiar with our Eastern Beauty, Qing Xin Red offers a similar flavor profile with an even brighter, smoother, and more complex finish. For the best taste, this tea can be brewed gongfu style or in a tea bowl. We recommend a moderate water temperature around 195 Fahrenheit and using roughly 1 gram of leaf per ounce of water. If you're brewing gongfu style, we recommend brewing 3 minutes, but the tea can also steep indefinitely in a tea bowl without getting bitter. To learn more about Qing Xin Red and our red label collection, visit redblossomtea.com. Remember to leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful. And make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future videos.